Good Lord, bruh. What have you went and done with your military channel? Bodybuilding muscle channel. Ain't this crazy? I'll show you in a second. I come across the picture and I say, you know what? I'm gonna just draw real quick, inking in, try to learn how to draw without penciling at first. And I got done with that in about 12 minutes, 12, 15 minutes, something like that. It went pretty quick. And I said, you know what? I want to try to color them in. And we went from there. So it took like an hour and, believe it or not, about an hour and 15 minutes. And I got a picture off Pinterest now. It don't exactly look like the woman right here, or the man kind of, but I kind of done my own rendition of them. But here they are right here. I don't even know who these people are. Well, I mean, it don't look exactly like them. Well, maybe not nothing like them, but got the pose kind of down. But I kind of like it. And it is way, way different from what I usually draw. That first, like I said, it's going to just be a quick ink drawing with my microns. Next thing you know, I was cutting her jacket in with the Copic pens, Copic markers I mean. And her dress is shining. And I didn't have really anything to make it shine like that. And I said, well, I'll just do a combination of yellows and browns and everything, and her necklace and all that. I didn't really have nothing to make that pop out or anything, but I had fun with it. And that's what it's all about when you're drawing. Whatever you do, don't make it like work or anything. You end up hating it. And that was fun for me. And I went back with this my pencil and everything, and done his beard and his hair on his chest and all that. And yeah, I like it. I mean, she might not be the prettiest girl in the world, but hey, I think I done all right. First time drawing these might be celebrities, I don't know, movie stars or something. I don't know really who they are, but I like it. Tell me what y'all think. I know she ain't the prettiest in the world, but I tried. That's the only thing that counts. I had fun with it, and I had fun with it. And nothing else. I enjoyed it, and that's all that matters. So if you're in my same boat, drawing and worry about what everybody else thinks about, don't. As long as you have fun with it, you done what you wanted to do with it, just to have fun with it. I didn't really try to go for anything super realistic. If I'd done that, I would just use straight pencil. But I said, I want to pen it in. If I make a mistake, keep on going, and I finished it. Anyway, this is old Brad. Thank you for watching, and have a good weekend. All right, bye.